Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. This Victory took the trek all the way from Indiana to come see us for a quick little install. And then it went from little to a little bit bigger. We're going to end up doing 10s in the bags. But we started with the Diamond Audio Neos, 25 millimeter horns, Diamond Audio MP654 in the lowers. We're doing NVS Audio 10s in the bags. No tour pack, we're keeping the amps in the fairing, but the customer is gonna think about it tonight. We might end up doing a 3K in the tour pack. So he'll figure it out tonight, we'll know by tomorrow. This is our progress so far.